Abrante or Dasui Javi Simons. Now Javi Simons near Dutch near Abofra, Ninchi free Suriname, baby a Clarence seed of Mufrino.
Okay.
Now or you eligible so see a kind of the Dutch national team or making a debut just during the last international break, you know. Now on a breakthrough career last season, or PSV, your PSG. And you kind of PSG. Holland any a PSV.
Okay.
And PSV no on the top scorer in the Dutch league. Now of free PSG and a bet join a PSV no. Now omodi shame say a buyback clause of 6 million euros. To some extent, the variables be shame I bet me rise it to 10 million euros. Now PSG who say boy no coin wako hete and they are interested in bringing him back to France. Meeting Corso, meeting there Corso, ni na ne say apanya that's here Darren Dean. Darren Dean are currently or the agent of Javi Simons. Darren Dean ni PSG for no coding common or there are two men say boy ni interested in returning.
Sir.
Yep. So the initial meeting almost have it this week, you know, and yeah they are productive Edma PSG or more entourage, you know. Or there are two men say the boy is not keen on returning to PSG because Ophir say he will still need the PSV project about one or be develop your co-hoya and the value no a shoot to cost 40 million euros. Okay. Or can one of the best players in the just ended season ever the Netherlands and or sounds here the top scorer in last season's Dutch league. And it's Ojawa ko PSG one and your chances very limited.
Two, time.
Also obey me jiska obey the obey, but a man the development, you know, a cage kakra. Into the boy wants to stay in the Netherlands. Nano, Anna Darren Dean, the son of former Arsenal, or Mopenyi Barcola friend said David Dean, will handle several transfers for some of the Arsenal players. Some of Fabregas, free Arsenal, Akko Barcelona, no, it was handled by Darren Dean. Ono Korea Sanswa handle Harry Redknapp ne some of the notable deals I would name even including Thierry Henry were handled on na true ne papa no on your connections by a lawyer ankasa. Darren Dean sounds so sharebo edema payers before and say boy no any senior music can honsem no. Omo be said they will renegotiate terms I want a contract in him na omama no extension. So the priority for team Javi Simons ne say omo movie out of PSV omo bet na Netherlands wa but omo be negotiation for Abrante ne beji sika wasoro they will make him the highest earner our PSV omo payroll ne so
that's what 5 years in nche
yeah the contract ne be end 2027 as part of the extension talks no omo the 1 year extension period be ka ho instead of 2027 na be ko 2028 but ne sika no oje no Obenya a rise of more than 70%. No about the highest earner. Our payers plus almost half the shame be say that buyback clause no or be year frame. So there will be nothing like and a PS you need your make me about the top say or more figure be so wow open no now you will need to contact payers before no then now you make the common no magiatum.
Now the buyback clause no more effective date biana
year on and he say emphasis say at the end of this summer a next summer now PSG for no e be 20 but as it stands now one from the boy wants to take that out of his contract no net me abo man yoma konkan abo boy no so or ya abofra kra enti obi be say enti na maybe born agent no man born family anka ho now this is the arrangement or my ni nua oda so here Faustino Simons. No super boss, but no one to me and Bobo now calling him bebre. To say Javi. And to the Faustino I say we ram into the field of football agency. And to Darren Dean, I'm an employment. And your boy named Kwana Darren Dean, I found our manager as a player. But our money in your swear Juma, Faustino, Simons, Juma de Darren Dean. Okay. And the infant is a boy in your opinion, Juma under the same agency. Or more running and then they represented the interest of Darren Dean or the Netherlands. And to the Abusiane work Kebiano, or the Janiniana or the Ama agent, you know, and then the Omudo Koja PG. So clearly as it stands now, the Javi Simons operation concerning so free Netherlands across France, it is off.
Mete krasa na ka Dortmund ne Arsenal nyina e wo interest wo no.
Stands say okwa enya de a ebeboa PSV. One in terms of say omu hia no. So onsi akan ma omu two. Ne value no omu nye sika bebre mfrim. And that is the need and as a reason Omehu said there is a need to renegotiate terms, no more and improve contract, no also signing extension. So that is a situation concerning Javi Simons, Media Tuja, and so Eddie Amount. And PSG in San Canono, they are moving on to a next target. Omu Philly, so bet me for Fele, a Juma Javi Simons, a bet me a Bradley Barcola. Barcola, Ninchi Fitogo. He's a young boy, 20 years, or a forward, primarily. Or ball as a center forward, but Timibo with the left or Timibo with the right. Bradley Barcola is seen as the next alternative in case of Javi Simons. And Luis Enrique assure say as a matter of priority, Omon try to get this boy on his books. Or Olympic Lyon. Said the Lyon for the Belgia to Momo and also Yasem Fofro. But as it stands now, they've moved on to the next option, and that is Bradley Barcola. Declan Rice, one say Arsenal West Ham agree but Arsenal for the Bebrea concern and they were discussing the structure, and then normal discussing structure anyway. Then it was about guarantee of payment. So what do you have to say? I didn't know better to say. What do you have to say? Over 18 months. Now, dear, let's over to me. I was out the crata deba. In his own crata, no. Arsenal were seeking guarantees. Send a bay a bit me a bois, more to me cano as per the stipulated period. 18 months or tia Declan Rice in this cano in installment. Now guarantees or money and say they will get money from elsewhere. Ni nefis a Stan Kroenke in ho, and then Stan Kroenke will finance the Declan Rice transfer within that period. Sikas na benye biano, omo bet your money back.
Okay.
So that is the arrangement. And to document, from what I am hearing, Ebeko by close of work today, Ebeko West Ham for no, omuhu no mo can kind of muji tumwa. Then they will signal say the be a boy in the Jana Monaba or bear the medicals or go through the process. Into the Yensha and Wednesday, Declan Rice will be a national player. Obako in the medicals will be an Oma confirming. So from Enda to Wednesday, there will be good news for Arsenal players. Similar to Julian Timber, the end. Okay. And Tisana share.
So
transfers of this nature, and just so simple sao. Or Magia to dear, but Yagia to me just what talk.
Okay. Quite no. At the Chapana Motre, you know.
Edu say now, you will need lawyers. You will need accountants. You even need banks to even authorize because it's a kind of movie. It's a winner and not from sir. It takes time. It's a magia to no. And yes, okay, or maybe in the boy no one bag okay and the yen sir. When you 1 million, need 2 million a juma.
But day of the Arsenal.
As it stands now, 90%, 95% Declan Rice will join Arsenal. Okay. The only process in your documentation, or more, no more Harry Kane. There was a meeting in London, and yet the first meeting at Tottenham about London concerning a player. Declan Rice Croyano. A year Bayern for this man entourage before the season, no, or movie. Entourage no mobile no omone West Ham for be din come about Declan Rice omuwie no omone betu just say positive talks meaning so kai san come on good and so anko anko see after another meeting with Spurs boss your friend said Daniel Levy German media outlet including Bild almost started reporting say positive talks held with Tottenham but it might not be the case only my frontier
Derby
Harry Kane in the medical kawasa and stance here back unforce a move away from Spurs. Uncle Tietia, Uncle Kakasa Fibi and Fanchirobia, Diabesibiano, Wasum, Otna Spurs are ope, or free Spurs are ope. So Harry Kane has kept his school. Wednesday, Yakranokoshia Potian, Tottenham, Mobos, your friends, Postecoglu. On any din common, I'm a Postecoglu, SWAT channel, division for the club. I obey here, say Kane will play a part. So Kane has not voiced any disgruntlement or Tottenham Spurs. Now the meeting there, of course, no. There was nothing like Mediseiba into Magiatum. Bayern formally approached Levy 1 to apologize. Took a call boy in Fieno. Levy was not pleased, and Ofiu said disrespect to Spurs. So Bayern first approached this meeting with an apology. Omo meeting no opinion your friend says Jean Christian Dressen and afi Marco Nepe. Omo meeting, this is Dressen and this is Marco Nepe. Omo they sent a formal apology from Bayern, trying to make sure said Daniel Levy Obufo no eso better cry. Then two, they registered their interest in Kane. Say, omo pa branch into no the first bid. Second bid nekra no omo nyam fan buy, but they are preparing it and they stated their value. Levy show mudin was it there. Emfa. Harry Kane for 60 million pounds and want to work. Into a catcher almost say one. Kane still a central figure. It was Spurs omo project in him. And then two, a vision to extend Kane beyond the current term. And it's a Bayern for ne pa. He might consider. He might consider, but it would have to be at the right price. Right price, na say Luther. I don't think it could be 100 million pounds.
Oh, deserve.
Oh, share the Sun newspaper more. Or more caption on what say, we are here for Harry. Levy tells them he still wants 100 million plus at Hotel Summit. And he needs minimum 100 million.
Because of the players beer, you go to figures beer. Now Harry Kane. Oh.
But the Bayern fans also are trying to be a bit tactical about it. July 28th, Harry Kane made it 30 years. I can't in 1 year. I want a current contract or so. So Bayern fans feel say I didn't think about rush near Tracy car. No boy day. All in a bit to get one player to come on board. So they will need to also steady. But Daniel Levy also thinks that if Harry Kane stays, next season a year, there is a potential as a man in the no what trend contract him because they will give him more money. Money exceeding £300,000. These are the dynamics concerning the deal. So as it stands, no positive talks were held. See, contrary to German reports, a positive. BBN were almost CBBH na ABA. Okay. They registered an interest. And to a job, they'll go to Germany, prepare themselves, and if they have what it takes, launch a third bid, and then no man make sure so make me have a branch, and so Eddie Ako. Now, Luther.
Faber 1 or 2 BB.
The 1 or 2 ne baby. Osha that's Manchester United. Who sika su gunche.
Baby.
Na Saudi Arabia for they say wa na what you mo. No mo plus 44 number baby. There's a plus 44 there. A call from the UK. Now our friend Saudi Arabia Ministry of Sports will say na say mo no. I'm a Chelsea players. My bag for Liverpool players. Yes, we are players in the tall. And then I'm
oh, they said the United for now.
I'm a friend Saudi Arabia Ministry say more matter Chelsea players, Mama Muska.
It's about
Liverpool players. And then I just say our players in the Moma. Now, always of the Nibala of Paco is there. Now, yes, our players when the war. Almost a Freddie available.
Oh,
SOMPA Scott McTominay available. Aaron Wan-Bissaka available. And then the chief commandant Harry Maguire also available. And Manchester United have offered their players to Saudi Arabia. I can confirm there was a call to Saudi Arabia from United. They are eager to sell players and make money. As it stands now, Europe will be a my. Now Saudi Arabia so mobile be 2 years. And this is what happened. So United want to offload players. And BBC Koswaluta, it means that United are preparing, say, even after adding Onana, they will still make another signing. But they will need to sell, to raise money, to buy. Harry Kane project, Harry Kane Finyaya, also be joining. Bedi idea. CK.